Hello and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma, and I am your teacher. Today, we are talking about daily routines. Every day is a new opportunity to learn. My morning usually starts very early. The alarm clock rings at exactly 6 o'clock. I open my eyes and look at the window. The sun shines brightly into my bedroom. I stay in bed for 5 sweet minutes. It is nice to stretch my arms and legs. After that, I stand up with a smile. The floor feels a bit cold on my feet. I put on my favorite warm slippers. Walking to the bathroom is my next step. I wash my face with cool water. This helps me to wake up completely. Brushing my teeth takes about 2 minutes. My reflection in the mirror looks happy. Then, I go straight to the kitchen. The house is very quiet at this hour. I boil some water for my green tea. Sometimes, I prefer a cup of black coffee. The delicious aroma fills the entire room. I drink my hot beverage near the window. Outside, the birds sing their morning songs. It is a peaceful moment before a busy day. I think about my plans for the afternoon. Preparation is the key to a good day. I am ready to start my morning exercises. Let us move to the next part. Physical activity gives me a lot of energy. I do simple exercises for 15 minutes. Yoga helps my body feel flexible and strong. A healthy lifestyle is important for everyone. Next, it is time for a delicious breakfast. Cooking is a relaxing activity for me. I fry 2 fresh eggs in a pan. Also, I toast 2 slices of brown bread. Oatmeal with fresh berries is another great choice. I add a little sweet honey on top. Eating slowly allows me to enjoy the food. Breakfast is truly the most important meal. After eating, I clean the kitchen table. I put the dirty dishes into the sink. My clothes define my mood for the day. I open my wardrobe to choose an outfit. Classic styles are my favorite for work. Today, I select a beautiful blue dress. It matches the color of the clear sky. I brush my shoulder-length wavy brown hair. A little bit of cream protects my skin. I look into the mirror to check everything. My appearance is neat, professional, and friendly. I take my brown leather bag from the chair. Inside, I put my notebook and pens. My keys and smartphone are in the pocket. I lock the front door of my apartment. Walking down the stairs is good exercise. The air outside smells fresh and clean. I walk towards the nearest bus stop. The bus arrives on time today. I show my electronic ticket to the driver. He nods his head with a polite smile. I find a comfortable seat near the window. The trip to my office takes 20 minutes. During the journey, I listen to audiobooks. Listening practice is excellent for language learners. I see many people walking on the streets. Some people run because they are late. My bus stops in front of the school. I step out onto the clean pavement. The school building looks large and modern. I enter the classroom and open the windows. Fresh air helps my students concentrate better. I turn on my computer on the desk. All my lesson plans are ready on the screen. My first student enters the room. His name is Max, and he is very diligent. We greet each other in English. Our lesson begins with a short conversation. We practice new vocabulary words together. Grammar rules become easy with simple examples. I write important phrases on the whiteboard. Max repeats the sentences with correct pronunciation. Time flies quickly when you enjoy teaching. The clock shows 12 o'clock noon. The first part of my work is over. I feel proud of my students' progress. It is time to have a midday break. Let us discuss my lunch routine. Lunch offers a great chance to rest. I walk to a small cafe around the corner. The place is popular among local teachers. I sit at a table near a large plant. A polite waiter brings me the menu. I order a bowl of warm tomato soup. Chicken salad is also a great option today. My food arrives quickly and looks delicious. I eat my lunch and relax completely. Sometimes, my colleague joins me for a chat. We discuss our students and funny stories. Sharing experiences makes our job much easier. After lunch, I buy a bottle of water. Staying hydrated is essential for my voice. I have 1 hour before my afternoon classes. A short walk in the park is a brilliant idea. Green trees and flowers look beautiful. I sit on a wooden bench under a big oak. Reading a book is my favorite hobby. I read a fascinating novel about history. Pages turn one by one in silence. This hobby expands my own vocabulary. My phone vibrates to remind me of work. I stand up and stretch my back. Walking back to school takes 5 minutes. The sun is high in the sky. My afternoon students are already waiting. They look excited to start the lesson. We open our textbooks on page 20. The second half of my day begins. The afternoon lessons finish at 5 o'clock. I say goodbye to all my wonderful students. They leave the classroom with big smiles. I pack my laptop into my bag. Turning off the lights is my final task. The school building becomes quiet again. I decide to walk home for exercise. The distance is about 2 kilometers. Walking helps me forget about work stress. The evening sky displays beautiful orange colors. I pass by a small grocery store. Some fresh vegetables are necessary for dinner. I choose tomatoes, cucumbers, and some cheese. Paying at the cash register is quick. I carry the shopping bag in my left hand. My neighborhood looks peaceful in the evening. I reach my building and unlock the entrance. The elevator carries me to the 4th floor. Finally, I open the door of my home. It feels amazing to be back inside. I change my dress into comfortable clothes. Gray sweatpants and a soft t-shirt are perfect. I wash my hands with warm soap. Cooking dinner is a creative process. I make a fresh salad with olive oil. A simple dinner is best for the evening. I eat my meal in the kitchen. The clock on the wall ticks quietly. My body feels tired but very satisfied. The night is slowly approaching. Evening entertainment helps me unwind. I sit on my soft living room sofa. A warm blanket covers my legs. I turn on the television for a movie. British comedies are excellent for my mood. The actors speak with a beautiful accent. I laugh at the funny jokes. Later, I prepare a cup of chamomile tea. Herbal tea is great for peaceful sleep. I drink it slowly while checking messages. My friends send me some nice photos. I write short replies to everyone. At 9 o'clock, I turn off the television. Dim lights create a cozy atmosphere. I enter the bathroom to prepare for bed. A warm shower relaxes my muscles completely. I put on my favorite cotton pajamas. My skin feels fresh and clean. I walk into the bedroom in silence. The bed looks extremely inviting tonight. I set my alarm clock for tomorrow morning. 6 o'clock is the perfect time again. I switch off the main bedroom light. A small nightlight shines in the corner. I get under the heavy, warm duvet. My head rests on the soft pillow. I think about 3 good things from today. Gratitude fills my heart before sleep. I close my eyes and breathe deeply. Good night to everyone, and sweet dreams.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.